Secure FTP, also known as FTPS, is a secure way to transfer files. Turn Windows features on or off. Here are the steps to build a secure file server on Windows 11 yourself. Internet Information Services. FTP Server. FTP Service. Web Management Tools. IIS Management Console. FTP Service. IIS Management Console. OK. Close. Creating certificate for the FTPS server. Opening IIS Manager. Internet Information Services Manager. You need a certificate to secure your server. You may also create a self-signed certificate locally. Server certificates. Create self-signed certificate. FTP server. OK. OK. Adding FTP site. Add FTP site. FTP site name. FTP site. Specify a path to a folder on your server's disk that it is going to be accessible using FTP. I create a new folder called FTP root. Next, IP address. Static IP address assigned to the server. Require SSL. Select your certificate. View. This is the certificate that was just created in the previous step. Authentication. Specified users. Enter your username. Permissions. Read and write. Finish. There is a red warning because something is wrong and I have to fix it. Firewall. An internal Windows firewall is automatically configured with rules for the FTP server. Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Inbound rules. FTP server. Enable rule. FTP server passive. Enable rule. FTP server secure. Enable rule. Allow connections to the server on the Windows firewall. Restarting FTP service. Services. Microsoft FTP service. Restart. You should see your FTP site OK. FTP site started. It's time to connect from the client. I use WinSCP as a client. You connect to the server over the network. FTP protocol. TLS/SSL explicit encryption. Hostname. Server IP address. Your username. Your password. Save. Save for next time. Site name. FTPS. OK. Login. Yes. Success. You have a trusted file server. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.